Okay, so here's the problem. You search best free screenwriting software and you get listicles written by people who've never actually opened half these tools. I've used all of them. I'm going to walk you through the comparison table, demo each one, and give you a real recommendation. Not sponsored, not theoretical. Let's start. All right, here's the comparison table. 5 tools, same feature set, formatting, export, collaboration, AI tools, cost. Most of these overlap on the basics. That's the dirty secret of screenwriting software. Where they separate is AI features, platform lock-in, and what you actually get for free versus what's paywalled behind an upgrade. Zoom in here. See that AI coverage column? That's where Free Screenwriter separates from everything else on this list. Free Screenwriter, browser-based, no install, fully free. Not freemium, not a trial. Actually free. The editor is clean. Auto formatting on every element, scene headings, action, character, dialogue, transitions. PDF and FDX export, and coverage built in. Here's what stands out. You go from 0 to writing a properly formatted screenplay in about 60 seconds. Create a project, type a scene heading, the software handles everything else, no configuration. Let me show you the coverage tab, but the editor alone is the baseline every other tool on this list has to beat. WriterDuet, best option if you're co-writing in real time. Google Docs style collaboration for screenplays. Free tier caps you at 3 projects. Highland 2 is Mac only, minimalist, and the writers who love it really love it. Kit Scenarist is open source, runs offline, 0 cloud dependency if that matters to you. Arc Studio Pro has a polished free tier from an otherwise paid app. Worth a look if you want a more visual interface. All legitimate tools. None of them have built-in AI coverage on the free tier. That's the gap. If you want the full breakdown in writing, every feature, every caveat, side-by-side scoring, freescreenwriter.com, our learn live best free screenwriting software. That article goes deeper on edge cases. Offline use, mobile support, fountain compatibility, export fidelity, bookmark it. It's the reference you come back to. Here's the call. Start with Free Screenwriter. Only tool on this list with professional formatting, FDX export, and AI script coverage on a completely free plan. No project limits. If you end up co-writing full-time, add WriterDuet. If you're on a Mac and hate everything, try Highland. But for 90% of writers, especially if you're early in your career and not looking to drop $250 before you know if this is your thing, Free Screenwriter is the answer. Link in the description.